Tick-tock, numbers pop, snap, crack, can't stop. 6, 7, 7, 7. Everywhere I look, they're side by side, hiding in my sneakers, taking a ride on my watch on the classroom wall. 6 and 7, they see it all. Parents squint, what's that mean? Kids all laugh, it's our secret dream. You can chase them, but they move too fast. 6 and 7 never come in last. 6 and 7, boom, boom, bang, jumping around like a number gang. They pop, they bop, they slide, they spin. Here they go and back again. 6 and 7, double trouble, fizz and crackle, pop and bubble. Adults don't get the code we send. 6 and 7, best of friends. They pop on clocks and video screens. They photobomb in all our dreams. They tag along on notes in class. 6 and 7 like brain rot gas. Teacher sigh, this makes no sense. Kids just dance on the desk and fence. You can't stop what the numbers do. They stick like glue, it's tried and true. 6 and 7, zap, zap, zoom, spinning like chaos in a living room. They clap, they tap, they rhyme, they shout. This is what it's all about. 6 and 7 make some noise, funky math for girls and boys. Parents frown, we understand. 6 and 7 rule this land. 6 says move, 7 says go. Numbers groove in stereo. Round and round they spin that beat, clapping hands and stomping feet. Who's that knocking at your brain? They twist, they turn, they multiply, they wink, they jump, they say oh my. 6, 7, 6, 7, move to 11, count to heaven. 6, 7, spin that floor. 6 and 7, give us more. We send 6 and 7, best of friends. 6, 7, 6, 7, brain rots fast till the very end. 6, 7, 6, 7, best friends again.